Hi, this is Siva Kumar Kotha. I am from Hexagon. I'm a principal product manager in Hexagon. And this is a very good forum where all the leaders, product leaders meet and have knowledge sharings. And it's a beautiful way of transferring knowledge as well as sharing their experiences and giving a lot of insights about how the Gen AI future, how we can use AI in products. This is really excellent sessions and very good panelists as well as a lot of good workshops. And we have all the students and entrepreneurs and product leaders, all different categories together. They shared their knowledge here. And I appreciate everyone who is conducting this, and I thanks to all the team who is supporting. This product leaders forum is very helpful to everyone, and I am really thankful to all the organizers who organized this very well, and I'm looking forward for such kind of sessions in future.